Hey guys, I'm on my way home from a little shopping trip, and I want to give you a little bit of a warning before I cut to the next scene that I recorded in the parking lot of Walmart. If you're really sensitive, you might want to just not watch the rest of the video, okay? I'm almost home. And it's funny, and I don't mean that in a humorous way. I mean that in a tragic way. It's funny where healing can come from. You know? I feel like a ton has been lifted off my back by everything being put into perspective by a little chat I had with a nice woman at Walmart who was ringing up my purchase. So, it certainly is funny where healing comes from. Take care. Hey guys, look where I'm at. It won't focus. You stupid phone. Stupid phone. I'm at Walmart. And Rudy and I sit here humbled by the conversation I just had. I laughed at the beginning of this video because I'm trying my best not to cry. I figured out where my lost prescriptions got phoned into today, to a pharmacy in a city I've never been to. And so a living nightmare of mine, which causes some people to kill themselves. I did okay, and today I found out that where my prescriptions went to, and I went to get a few last minute items, groceries for tonight, and talking to the dear woman working the cash register, I find out that she lost her 9-year-old son a month ago to Neuro Blastoma. And it kind of puts my suffering into perspective, doesn't it?